Hi guys, it's Eric, and what I got here is a Gasmate ducted propane heater. Um, it's very compact, very slick, nicely designed, and the build quality is good. I'm just gonna show you how it works and the pros and cons of it. So what we have here in front is the igniter, and as what you can see here is a three-way switch. Onto your right, there is a red LED light that lights up. When it's solid, it means it's fully charged, and when it's flashing, it means it's charging. Now back to your left, now there's a green light, and the green light means it's ready to be ignited. Now ignition is by pressing this big button here. There's a pilot viewing window here, which ignites the main burner, so you can see them if they're working or not. And at the back here's where your propane goes. I mean the regulator, then the propane, and the bottom here, this is where your duct is stowed away. So you would have the regulator there, then the duct, and the wall charger. Now it takes around 5 to 6 hours to charge this to give you 5 hours of usage. Alright, so it has a built-in battery in it there, and when when you're using this, it's good that nothing is underneath that compartment because it gets pretty hot. And at the front here, you would see this is the output area. So there's a switch here. This is one of the safety features. So if you won't put your ducting pipe in there, it won't switch the whole unit on. All right, and then back here, this is your input, and that's it. Now the regulator is simple to do. So you flip this back. This is actually just to guide the regulator with the propane tank connected. So easy as, pretty straightforward. This unit is actually easy to use. So you got a propane here, and now this would last about 8 hours of usage, and the battery would last 5 hours. Now there's 3 safety features available in this unit. So you got the oxygen level sensor. Sense a low oxygen level, then it would switch the unit off. If this unit tilts over, it would switch off. You could actually use bigger bottles. You just have to use the different connectors. I guess it's time to start it up. Right. So without the ducting hose here, this won't switch on. There you go. That's it. Now switch it to on. Now it switches on. If the duct is off, you switch off. So switch it back off and switch it on. Now take it closer. There's the pilot right there. press it 10 seconds and it would light up the power line. Now we're just waiting for the actual burner to glow red. Now that's how easy it is to use. Nothing complicated there. Now I forgot to tell you that this is the charging point here, and on the top screw here, that's the fuse. Alright, now you'll see a red glow on the burner side of it, and it's getting pretty warm, and we're gonna measure how warm it goes. Alright, so what I have here is a thermometer, and we'll see how hot it could get. So it's getting hotter and hotter. Now it's in around its 30s, 30 degrees Celsius. Now it's in its 40s. Now we just switch it off. Alright. Now that you can feel the heat around the unit itself, so never leave stuff on the compartment there, and must not be inside your tent. So my final thoughts with the Gasmate ducted heating. Personally, it's not for me. It's something that it would be useless for me as far as my setup would go, because first things first, it has its own battery, which is good, being portable, being a self-contained unit, but it's just 5 hours of usage, and I need more than that in some temperatures. So that's a no for me, and I would need a 240 volt source to charge this, and at the moment I'm just running a dual battery setup. I don't have any inverter yet, so I can't charge this after having to use it for 5 hours. I used it first thing in the evening for a couple of hours, and then I had to start it again in the morning the following day, because it's chillier in the mornings, and having to find out that we can't use it on the second day. So that's a no for me, but some people might find this very, very useful and efficient of the style of camping that they would do. Having no control of the temperature and the fan, you're stuck with the setting that it's in. So no for me. That's my thoughts, and hopefully this video will help you in deciding to buy this thing or not. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.